Not too much, not too much. I need gas. Everybody's like, damn. Hey, I just woke up, alright? So it ain't about to be nothing too crazy right now with my driving. I just woke up. You know what I mean? Taking it nice and easy. Oh, hell no. What the fuck? Alright. Anywho. Lear. Bro, this camera angle is crazy as hell. Feels like I'm in a movie. Let me put down the window just a tad bit. Yes, I put my signal on. I am a trained professional. Do not do what I do. Do not do what I do. I'm a trained professional. Yeah, you got shorty in the back just looking at me. But yeah. Now that we just sit here at this fucking light. Yep. Basically, I'm a 19-year-old with a Hellcat. I had a V6. I got a Hellcat. Living on my own, or about to be. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Yeah, dumbass would have went right there and then in between those cars. I drive a boat, bro. I can't really do that, bro. I wanted the windows down a little bit, but it is way too fucking cold for these windows to be down, bro. Shorty. You know what I mean, guys? Something light, you know what I mean? Nothing too crazy, but something light. just getting my day started. I woke up pretty late. I ain't gonna hold y'all, but yeah. I don't know, bro. There's something about a Hellcat or not, bro. If you're not hitting over 100 miles per hour, I don't know. I'm gonna just say you a little girl, for real, for real. But yeah. Oh my fuck! Now we got these dumbass trocas. Yeah, beware of people, bro. They see a Hellcat on the road, fuck that. People wouldn't even know it's a Hellcat. All they see is it's a nice car, right? They're like, oh yeah, just brake check him, boom, money. Yeah, but until so nah. Go to my girl's crib right now. Shut the fuck up. Talking about over speed. Yeah. About to go to my girl's crib, eat some food that she's cooking, do a little shopping if we have time, and then I gotta go to work. Woke up late as hell. If y'all want to get rich, bro, make sure y'all waking up at like 8, no cap, or 7, bro. Figure out a sleep schedule. Grind, bro. I'm not talking about work, sleep, work, sleep, work, sleep. I'm talking about wake up, study the stock market, study the YouTube algorithm, study the vending machine business, study something. You know what I mean? Focus on one thing. Study it, learn it, start to do it. Lock in for like a couple months. You know what I mean? Then you be chilling. You know what I mean? Locking in ain't, all right, I'm gonna work 60 hours a week, work, and then go home and sleep, and then repeat until you're fucking 60 years old. You know what I mean? That's not ideal. You know what I mean? If you could take some part, if you could wake up early, and then, you know what I mean, focus on one topic and study it, like day trading, stock market, YouTube, a vending machine business, or e-commerce, selling products online or something, you know what I mean? Everybody's like, well, I don't know where to start. Well, have you studied yet? You know what I mean? Nah, I don't think you have, right? So, you know what I mean? Figure it out. Lock in for a couple months. Stop going to parties every damn week, bro. Let your friends do what they want to do. And that's it, bro. But y'all be cool, bro. I'm trying to eat. This is day 1 of vlogging of the Hellcat. You know what I mean? Look at that. Beautiful.